Why mattress cleaning is important for your health. One reason people don't often think to clean their mattress is that they don't know how to do it or who to call to accomplish the task. Here are some of the benefits. Your mattress needs it. Thinking about all of the tiny microbes making a home in your bed isn't conducive to getting a good night's sleep. A professional cleaning can eliminate or reduce the amount of fungal spores like Cladosporium and Aspergillus, bacteria present in skin cells and oral and fecal matter like Staphylococcus and Streptococcus, pet dander, dust mites, and sweat. Improve air quality. All of those tiny microbes can wreak havoc on your indoor air quality. Every time you toss or turn, every time you fluff your sheets, you throw some of those microbes into the air. A lot of the particles making themselves at home in your mattress are allergens, and when you sleep on them or move them into the air, they can cause itchy eyes, sneezing and other allergy symptoms. 1 in 6 people suffer from allergies, and though allergens like dust mites and pet dander won't kill you, they can make you pretty miserable. If you wake up in the morning with a stuffy nose, irritated throat or scratchy eyes, allergens in your mattress may be a culprit. Get better sleep. Having a restless night is a common experience. According to a University of Pennsylvania study, 1 in 4 Americans experience acute insomnia every year. Typically, 3/4 of those people recover without any special treatment. However, there are a number of ways to help induce a better night's sleep, and one of those things is having a clean and hygienic bed. Experts recommend washing your sheets and pillowcases at least once a week using a fresh scented laundry detergent. They also encourage people to wipe down their mattress covers with soap and water, but there's still another step to ensuring top cleanliness. Even though you may wash your sheets and pillowcases once a week, if you haven't cleaned your mattress in years or ever, your bedroom isn't as clean as it could be. Your mattress is a collection point for microbes and germs, but a professional mattress cleaning company like Absolute Cleaning can eliminate many of those, leaving you with a more hygienic mattress, improved indoor air quality, and a better night's sleep. Call Absolute Cleaning at 8488-8444 today.